after you must have observed your due diligence and you are ready to go. This is where you set your slippage. You tap here. But what is slippage all about? Slippage is the small price difference between what you expect and what you actually get when a trade executes. It is important you know this. Higher slippage will help your trade goes through in fast market. That is when you are selling or buying asset. But though it goes fast, you may receive fewer token or pay more, but your transaction will go through. While lower slippage is opposite. Your transaction may not go through because of how fast things are moving. This smart mode will help you to automatically adjust slippage based on live market condition. So the final price you pay or you get if you are selling will still vary. While custom slippage will allow you to set the slippage by yourself. So after you must have set your slippage, you just tap buy and you'll be able to purchase your token. The same thing applies to when you are selling. You just tap sell. You will set your slippage. That is how you make a purchase or you sell your asset using Gate Alpha.